everyone, and today we're gonna do lesson 2, the second lesson. And last time it crashed, so not the car didn't crash, the video crashed. And now I'm gonna show you more parts of the car. Now here's the gas and brakes. That's it. Now we're in a highway, as you can see. And so once I put on drive, it will go backwards if I don't press the gas. So, we're ready. Okay. But first, we need to put this down. Okay, now it's on. Push the brakes. Drive. Okay. Okay, so we don't want to hit that bumper. There we go. That was perfect. Now, look there. We can go left. Should we go left? Okay, the car's moving back. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going down now. We're going downtown. Not down, like under my pants. Are we going down here? Wait, let me see this other way. Oh, guy with the dog. Look at that doggy. Oh, look at that cat. I'm gonna run over you. Look at that cat is going through the... Okay, now we're gonna go to the highway. We're scared. Okay, now let's go down and it's gonna be finished. Oh, perfect. Down way here. Okay. I know.
We've reached the end of the mountain.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down. Behind there was a place to go. Okay. I'm gonna park right here.